Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Jenny here, the Uncrafty Crafter. And I'm so uncrafty, I should not be waving these scissors around, right? Uncrafty people should not have access to scissors, just saying. So this is a unboxing video. Naturally, I have a box and I'm opening it. It is an unboxing. We are unboxing it. Where did the term unboxing even come from? And why don't they just call it taking it out of the box? Right? I'm kidding, I'm kidding, I'm kidding. So, anyway, this is from Diamond Art Club. And I'm excited about it. If I can get into it. Pull that out, and we will pull this out, and it is another square. Last square I opened up was or the last one I opened up was a square too. Okay, let me get rid of the stuffage. Lots and lots of stuff. Okay, so this one is a square. You can tell here. And this one is A Winter's Oasis by Chuck Pinson. I love it. Goodness gracious. It's a 76 by 56 centimeter. And it is a square. So, I'm ready to see this pretty thing. Oh my goodness. It's like Christmas, man. It's like Christmas. When my husband asks me this Christmas, or this year, what I want for Christmas, I'm just going to say, can you just give me, like, an unlimited amount of money to spend at Diamond Art Club? And you know what he'll say? He'll say, you already spend an unlimited amount of money at Diamond Art Club. Hello. Wah, wah, wah. And he wouldn't be lying. Okay, so, on this toolkit, right there at the very end. And we have our stickers. And there we are. We have 51 colors in this one. 76 by 56, which is a 30 by 22 inch square by Chuck Pinson. Winter's Oasis. Look how pretty that is. Can you believe that? How pretty it is? I love how his paintings look like it's like glowing inside the house, like warm. You can see the smoke coming up out of the chimney. The horses just hanging out. Okay, let's look at this. And we have a square toolkit. So basically these are just a plain old toolkit with a pair of tweezers in there. So actually, let me see here. Hold on just a second. Give me just a minute. I wanted to look and see. Nope, I'm not one of the lucky ones. So some of them have been getting multi-placers in their kits here lately. I was just checking to see if I was one of the lucky ones. Nope, I'm not. Got some pretty heart-shaped wax though. And a squishy and a blue pen and a pair of tweezers that are the sharp kind. So make sure to keep that little plastic thing on there so your children or pets or yourself do not get injured. Here's the other little sticker, perfect for your storage container or putting on the side of your box so you can see it in your stash better at a quick bird's eye view. Okay. Nice soft canvas as per usual with Diamond Art Club. Pop these drills out of here. Sorry I'm shaking you all about. And do the hokey pokey and turn yourself about. Okay. Look at the sparkly in that canvas, how pretty. You see the sparkle, glittery look inside that glue. So pretty. Wow. Wow. So pretty. Okay, I'm going to try to back you up a little bit more so that I can do this without... Okay. So, you can just about see the whole thing. Let me turn this light off. Does that help make it any better, or is it too dark? We'll go with this for a little bit. If I need to, I will turn it back on. But, check out these horses. Look at the tree inside this window here. Looks like the tree here has been lit up. The snow. I love these. You can see the like shadow on the glistening snow from these fence posts. And then here's another horse. Ooh, and there's a little red bird right there perched. We have a thing about red birds in our family. Yep. We always say that if a red bird visits you, that's a loved one. So yeah, pretty little horse there. That tree's all pretty. You can almost, I mean, it looks like the lights are on. I mean, obviously the lights are on, but I mean, it looks like they're real lights almost. That door, there's a wood pile here. The shiny snow. Don't that make you feel a little warm and cozy? Like it makes me want to cover up in warm footy jammies and with a hot cup of cocoa. Look at the smoke coming up out of the chimney here. The trees, the sky. So this is like, I mean, it may not be sky as much as it's like looking, to me, it looks like this is like out in the woods behind the cabin, maybe up a hill or up the side of a mountain. You can see the like trees way off in the distance that are all covered with snow. Back behind there, you can see the snow on these. I think they're pine trees. But yeah, so pretty. Goodness gracious, I can't handle it. Isn't it beautiful? Okay. So, again, like I said, we have 51 colors here. Here's the thumbnail image right there. And super sticky. See how nice and shiny that glue is. See how good the drill field looks. Nice and clear. Oh, is it just me, or does it look like that horse has a heart-shaped patch on its... right there? Oh, that's cute. Very clear symbols. Let's look at these drills. Can we? Shall we? Let's do it. Want to? I think we should. Might need to turn this light back on. All these, ooh, I see lots of ABs right now. Did you already eyeball that? Oh, goodness gracious. Let's do that bag last. Do this one first. Give me just a minute to get this twisted around just right. Okay, ready?
We have some 779, so I'm checking everywhere. 334, 951, 820, 798, 413, 3024, 939, 939, 938, 3860, 3861, 3799, 890, 3772, 436, 975, and 322. Alright, that's 823, 3841, that's a pretty pale blue, 414, 3371, 3755, 2 bags of that, 2 bags of 797, 317, 3857, rusty red, 310, 318, 3325, 3 bags of that, boom, boom, boom. 9.5, too bad. 415 with some, a little piece of pink plastic.
And then look at these. 2 nice size bags of 136. Very pretty blue ABs. You see the shiny, 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 shiny. Gorgeous. Okay. Last wagon train.
832. This is pretty purple. 3814 is pretty teal green. I think these are going to go around the windows. Not around here. Could be on. 3854, 3770, 327, 738, 841, 775, 814, 992, 3865, 435, 895, 856, 917, 498, 3830.
141 is our other AB. Creamy whitish color. There's very, very few in there. And then 301. Okay. Move these off to the side. And let's see if we can see where these 1s and 2s are at. We have our 1 here, which is that dark blue. And I am going to suspect, let me pull you down into the goods. I'm suspecting that most of that number 1 is going to be up here in this sky. Oh yeah, see all these dark blues that runs up and down through here? Those are all ABs, man. Whoa, that's a lot of pretty ABs. I think that's the second time I said, whoa, goodness gracious. It's like, I feel like Joey Lawrence. Is that his name? Whoa. Okay. Pretty, pretty blues. But yeah, you can see all those 1s. Sorry for the glare. But all those 1s. Oh my goodness, the glare is horrible. Sorry about that, guys. But all those 1s in that sky. So pretty. And then, let me see. The number 2 is that lighter colored one. And let's see if we can find it. There was very, very, very few of those. Like, very few. Give me a second to look and see here. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, here we go. Yeah, there's some sprinkled out throughout this. I'm assuming this is like a shadow. Not a shadow, but trying to deal with this flashy glare on my camera. But here in the snow part where the like windows are reflecting, the light from the windows is reflecting off of the snow, there's some 2s scattered there. So I think those are going to be really pretty. But if you know, wanted to get some like sparklers from DP with Sparklers, Tmall, I think that would be pretty amazing, especially maybe in some of these windows. A little bit more in the snow down here, I think would be pretty. But yeah, definitely lots of pretty things here on this canvas. I'm excited. This is going to be such a pretty one to work on and display for, well, pretty much the entire winter. I mean, it's a very wintry scene. Looks like the Christmas tree is lit up in the window. And it looks like the trees out here were decorated. But that doesn't mean that you can't, you know, let everybody look at it in its prettiness all winter long. So I would definitely display it all winter. I think it's beautiful. I'm going to make sure and leave the link to this from Diamond Art Club in the description box down there, so you can check it out. And if you are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified the next time I upload another video. Ding, ding, ding. And make sure to hit the thumbs up before you head out the door. I would super duper appreciate it. And if you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave them in the comment section, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Have a great day. Bye.